Hello everyone, welcome to Mass Media Easy with Onipade. On the board today, we have a wire question. The question says, if x is an acute angle and tan s equals to 3 over 4, evaluate cos x minus sin x all over cos x plus sin x. Now, the first thing to do is to draw a rectangle. So we are going to show our angle x, which is an acute angle. An angle that is less than 90 degrees. So we have it here, angle x. Now, we are making use of 12 just because we are giving tan s equals to 3 over 4. So that simply means tan x is equals to opposite over adjacent. So we have represented it on our diagram now. So this is angle x. So this is tan x. And we have opposites. So on the opposite side, we have 3. And on the adjacent side, we have a what? We have 4 at the adjacent side. Now, we need this side. We need the hypotenuse side. In order to get the hypotenuse side, I'm going to use Pythagoras theorem to get the hypotenuse side. So for the hypotenuse side, I'm going to have a square equals to, so I'm going to take the square of adjacent and the opposite, then I will add the two together. So that's going to give me 3 square plus 4 square. And I'm going to have a square equals to 9 plus 16. And I will have a square equals to 25. In order to get the value of the hypotenuse, I'm going to take the root of both sides. In order to do that, I'm going to have h equals to root 25, which will now give me h equals to 5. So my hypotenuse is now what? Is 5. Now, having gotten the value for hypotenuse, I can now move on to solve this question. The question says we should find cos x minus sin x. So let's find cos x first before we input it in this formula. So cos x is going to, using car that is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos x is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. What's the value for adjacent? The value for adjacent is 4 and the value for hypotenuse is 5. So I'm going to have 4 over 5. The next one is sine x. And sine x, which is from so, simply means sine x equals to opposite all over hypotenuse. Now, from our diagram, opposites, that's the side facing angle x. So we have 3, and the hypotenuse, the longest side, we have 5. So that's 3 over 5. Now, having gotten the value for cos x and sin x, so I can now substitute them in this formula. Now, for the cos x, I'm going to have 4 all over 5 minus sin x, which is 3 over 5, all over cos x, 4 all over 5 plus 3 over 5. Now, so I can rewrite this as 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5, to make it easier, divided by 4 over 5 plus 3 over 5. Now, if I find the LCM of this, it is 5. 5 and 5, 1. 1 times this, 4. 5 and 5, 1. 1 times this, I have this. Divided by the LCM of this one is also 5. 5 and 5, 1. 1 times this, 4. 5 and 5, 1. 1 times this, 3. So I'm going to have 1 all over 5 divided by 7 all over 5. Now this will simply give me 1 all over 5 multiplied by 5 all over 7. And if the 5 cancel 5, my final answer is going to be 1 all over 7. That's going to be my final answer. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again in my next video.